Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a
Hello everyone, today I would like to give you your reservation information for the M25 The Gathering. Reservations start January 2nd by phone only. To reserve a site, please call Lake of Dreams Campground at 989-643-0403. Tell them you are with the M25 The Gathering and they will put you in the correct area. Sites for our group are 5 through 20, 21 through 37, 44 through 55, and 66 through 75. If there's a particular site you're interested in and it's still available, they will reserve it for you. After you've made your reservations, please contact me through email or on our Facebook group page. This information will help me update the map and let us know about how many people are going to be attending this year. All campsites are 30 amp with water, and they are $40 per night. There also are 3 cabins available that are $75 per night. If you're just coming for the day, there is a day pass charge of $6 per car. If you have a YouTube channel, please let us know and we will add that on the list next to your name. This event is open to all. You don't have to be a YouTuber, an RVer, a van life, or a schoolie to attend. Come bring a tent, set up, have some fun. The dates of this event are September 18th through the 21st, but you're welcome to come early and stay late. And again, reservations start January 2nd by phone only. The phone number for the campground is 989-643-0403. There will be other update videos covering the potluck and other events that we will be having. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or reach out to me on the Facebook group page, and I'll answer any questions I can. Until next time, happy trails.